Hello everyone, welcome back to Progress in English. In today's video, we are going to take an antonyms quiz. If you haven't watched the previous parts, make sure you do. I link them down in the description box below. Let's begin. Question 1. What is the antonym of the word hot? The correct option is C. Cold. Question 2. What is the antonym of the word big? The correct option is A. Small. Question 3. What is the antonym of the word up? The correct option is D. Down. Question 4. What is the antonym of the word sad? The correct option is C. Happy. Question 5. What is the antonym of the word open? The correct option is B. Close. Question 6. What is the antonym of the word old? The correct option is D. New. Question 7. What is the antonym of the word fast? The correct option is C. Slow. Question 8. What is the antonym of the word good? The correct option is A. Bad. Question 9. What is the antonym of the word easy? The correct option is D. Difficult. Question 10. What is the antonym of the word day? The correct option is C. Night. Question 11. What is the antonym of the word rich? The correct option is A. Poor. Question 12. What is the antonym of the word young? The correct option is B. Old. Question 13. What is the antonym of the word short? The correct option is D. Tall. Question 14. What is the antonym of the word strong? The correct option is C. Weak. Question 15. What is the antonym of the word beautiful? The correct option is D. Ugly. Question 16. What is the antonym of the word clean? The correct option is A. Dirty. Question 17. What is the antonym of the word laugh? The correct option is C. Cry. Question 18. What is the antonym of the word full? The correct option is A. Empty. Question 19. What is the antonym of the word early? The correct option is C. Late. Question 20. What is the antonym of the word inside? The correct option is D. Outside. Question 21. What is the antonym of the word begin? The correct option is A. End. Question 22. What is the antonym of the word high? The correct option is C. Low. Question 23. What is the antonym of the word happy? The correct option is D. Unhappy. Question 24. What is the antonym of the word win? The correct option is B. Lose. Question 25. What is the antonym of the word give? The correct option is D. Take. That's it for today's video. I hope that you learned something new. I'll see you next time. Bye.